What is up, guys? Galen here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you my egg sandwich recipe. Sorry vegans, let's do this. Here are our ingredients. We got olive oil, red pepper, 2 pieces of bread. I like whole wheat, but you can choose whatever kind of bread you want. We got cheddar cheese. You can also choose whatever kind of cheese you want. We got 2 eggs and a leafy green. I chose arugula. Oil the pan. Turn the heat on. We're gonna let the pan heat up a little bit while we toast our bread. All right, the bread goes in. Now we're gonna crack our eggs in the pan. We're gonna let the eggs solidify for a little bit and get a nice crunchy outside. All right, our eggs are looking good. They got that nice crunchy outside. That's exactly what we want. We're gonna go ahead and flip them. All right, our eggs are flipped. Now we're gonna put some cheese on. Let that melt just a little bit. Now, when the cheese is kind of sizzling like that, you know it's ready to go. So we're gonna take our eggs off. We're gonna add our leafy greens. We're gonna add some red pepper to it. Make it as spicy as you want. Put on the finishing touch, and we're ready to go. Of course, my favorite part of the video is when I get to actually try what I made. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And I'm gonna rate it out of 10 for you guys. Here we go. I toasted the bread a little bit too much, but the cheese is nice and sizzled. The eggs are fire. It's all about using all that oil. You saw I used a lot of oil. That's what you guys gotta do to make some good eggs. All right, thanks for watching. I'll be back with another recipe next week.